हेलो फ्यूचर डिज़ाइनर्स, क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि आपकी मोबाइल स्क्रीन पर क्लोथिंग शॉपिंग आइकन्स, ग्रॉसरी शॉपिंग आइकन्स कैसे वर्क करते हैं? इन्हें कौन डिज़ाइन करता होगा और ये क्यों ऐसे दिखते हैं? तो आइए आज के हमारे टॉपिक इंटरैक्शन डिज़ाइन को समझने के लिए देखते हैं ऐसे कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स। When we visit on Amazon, the first thing that we do after selecting the product is adding on to the cart or wish list or directly purchasing it. When we visit Swiggy app, what we do? We just add the product by simply pressing the plus icon or minus icon which is given below. As technology increasingly becomes a part of every aspect of human life, it calls for designing ways in which we interact with each other. That is to say, it calls for interaction design. Everyday tasks, right from setting the alarm, making the perfect cup of morning coffee, monitoring heart rate, to adding one's taxes, planning meals, controlling lights and center locking the house are all being enabled by technology. So guys, जब आप अपने मोबाइल से लैपटॉप पे स्क्रीन पर जो आइकन्स देखते हो जो आपको गुड या बैड यूजर एक्सपीरियंस देते हैं, जब आप इन एक्सपीरियंस को समझते हो और इनसे इंटरेक्ट करते हो तो उसे इंटरेक्शन डिज़ाइन कहते हैं। चलिए अमेज़ॉन के एग्जाम्पल से स्टार्ट करते हैं। अमेज़ॉन चाहता है कि यूज़र उसकी वेबसाइट से प्रोडक्ट परचेज करे, इसलिए उसके इस पेज पर ध्यान रखिए उसने 3 बटन्स रखे हैं। फर्स्ट, ऐड टू कार्ट, सेकेंड वन इज बाय एंड द थर्ड वन इज विश लिस्ट। यहाँ एक बात ध्यान देने की है जो है कलर ऑफ ऑल 3 आइकन्स। नाउ इफ वी सी द कलर साइकोलॉजी, here we will get to know that the orange tone color excites a human being, so buy now is of orange color। वहीं पर अगर हम देखें add to cart तो हम देखेंगे कि वो येलो कलर में है जिसका मतलब है एक्टिव, यानी कि आप दूसरे प्रोडक्ट भी देख लो बट अभी के लिए आप एक्शन ले लो और अपना प्रोडक्ट को ऐड टू कार्ट कर दो। और अगर हम देखेंगे विश लिस्ट आइकन जो कि डल है और पहले वाइट कलर में है क्योंकि अमेज़ॉन नहीं चाहता कि यूज़र प्रोडक्ट को विश लिस्ट पे डाले और वेट करे, जिससे ज़्यादा चांसेस हैं कि अमेज़ॉन के कस्टमर चले जाएंगे। इसीलिए इंटरैक्शन डिज़ाइन की ज़रूरत है क्योंकि कस्टमर जानता है कि कौन सा कलर किस डिज़ाइन के लिए होगा और अमेज़ॉन ने ये देखा कि एक बार जो कस्टमर आया वो बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए, इसीलिए यूज़र को किसी भी पेज का इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए उसे इस पेज पर दे दो। जैसे प्राइस जानना है तो उसे बड़ा सा लिख दो, अगर डिस्काउंट जानना है तो उसे हाईलाइट कलर रेड कलर से लिख दो। उसके बाद उसे हर प्राइस की जानकारी होनी चाहिए, डेट फॉर डिलीवरी या वारंटी ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्ट। अब गाइस देखते हैं इंटरैक्शन डिज़ाइन इन एनआईडी। तो द टोटल सीट्स इन एनआईडी इज 19 और सिर्फ एनआईडी बैंगलोर कैंपस ही ऐसा है जो इंटरैक्शन डिज़ाइन ऑफर करता है। दिस प्रोग्राम फोकसेस ऑन रिसर्च एंड टीचर्स स्टूडेंट हाउ टू यूज डिजिटल टेक्नोलॉजी टू डिज़ाइन डिफरेंट प्रोडक्ट्स फॉर मैनी पीपल। They learn to come up with the ideas and make prototypes, starting with research and ending with stimulation and prototypes. So in NID, students get exposed in front of a lot of other industry designers, like people from extremely creative background like liberal arts, or people who are socialists, who are anthropologists. Students from any background are welcome in NID entrance exam. So these people also have a different way of solving problem which is related to design processes. And the design process is applied and you can apply culture to solve problem. Also, not every time you need to have a high-tech solution to stuff. You can definitely have a cultural change, a behavioral change. So that's something. See, that's what it's all being aware of things, not getting deep into one that I think is best in education at NIT, and it also at the same time is very fascinating. Now let's look the career opportunities. Career opportunity in interaction design are increasingly important in today's digital centric world as businesses and organizations seek to create seamless and user friendly interactions between people and technology. Here are some career paths and opportunities in interaction design. So interaction designers are at the forefront of creating user interfaces and interaction for website, mobile apps and other digital products. UI UX designer is the one. So UI UX designer, some professionals combine interaction design with user interface to design to create visually appealing and functional digital interfaces. This role involves both designing the interaction patterns and the visual elements of a product. Next is the information architects. The information architects focus on structuring and organizing the content and information within digital products. Now the third one is UX researcher. While not exclusively interaction designers, UX researchers play a crucial role in informing interaction design decision by conducting UX research and user testing to gain insights into user behavior and preferences. Now let's look product designer. Product designer often encompasses both physical and digital product designs. Interaction design plays a significant role in creating user-friendly interfaces for smart devices and IoT Internet of Things products. Now, motion designer. Motion designer focuses on creating animations and transition within digital interfaces. Design manager. Design director, which experienced interaction designers may more into leadership roles where they manage design teams, set design strategies, and collaborate with other departments to ensure a consistent and user-centered design approach throughout an organization. Now let's look at the salary packages. Professionals in this field typically earn competitive salaries, widely depending on factors such as experience and location. Several factors can influence salary variation within the career, such as experience level, geographic location, education, and industry demand. I have heard of professionals in this field who have seen substantial salary increases as they gained more experience and took on leadership roles. Now let's see some of the potential employees. Tech companies. Large technology companies like Apple, Google, Microsoft, Facebook, and Amazon often hire interaction designers to work on their digital products, including mobile apps, softwares, and hardware interfaces. Tata Consultancy, Accenture, IBM, Deloitte, Capgemini, Microsoft, Tech Mahindra. Startups often seek interaction designers to shape their first products, appreciating those who excel in user experience designs with limited resources. Next is design agencies. So design agencies offer interaction designers the chance to work on diverse digital projects across various industries. E-commerce. E-commerce giants such as Amazon, eBay, and Shopify hire interaction designers to enhance website and app user experiences with a focus on improving navigation, product discovery, and checkout flows. Financial institutions, including banks, investment firms, and fintech companies, employ interaction designers to enhance user experience in online banking and financial management on their website and mobile apps. So, this was all about interaction design. Hope you liked it. If you have any further question or queries, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. We are committed to responding to each query and providing you with the information you seek. Thank you and best of luck.